was comparing the luxalgo SuperTrend AI indicator to see how great it can really work its accuracy on 5 minutes time frame, and as we're doing this on live market, to another indicator by the name volume SuperTrend AI. They are actually very close to each other, but I found like wow, when we can rely on this second indicator, it can really make us get confused because it shows a lot on our charts. But when it comes to luxalgo SuperTrend AI, I'm telling you, it's actually the best when it comes to showing you the trend of the market, showing you the continuation signal. So guys, I will prefer the luxalgo SuperTrend AI, and that's why I'm going to show you why I can really choose it. So guys, there is a lot this indicator shows, and the explanation, I'm telling you, it is a lot, but I've decided to insert the two indicators because they are both AI indicators, and we're just going to see how powerful the luxalgo SuperTrend AI is. Okay, we're just going to base this on live market over here because, as you know, we do rely on an indicator that is working in real time, an indicator that is not repainting, and an indicator that we can really rely on when executing trades. Okay, so guys, I have inserted the indicator right on my chart, but before that, I want to welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you're hearing my voice. I really welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button, rate and subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe, and honestly, you know, this is where you belong. If you're really part of this amazing family, I really salute you. So guys, I told you the first indicator is called the luxalgo SuperTrend AI, but the second one is called the volume SuperTrend AI. So the second one actually focuses majorly on volume to show us the trend of the market, but when you compare the two indicators, you will see they are working in the same. So guys, let's first end the first indicator by luxalgo. So we're just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type luxalgo SuperTrend AI. This one, clustering. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on our chart over here. So guys, if you can look on this indicator even without having to understand more about it, you will see like it shows you the strongest trend of the market. Like here, you know, it was indeed a really push to the downside, and as well, there is what you can really see over here pointed, and basically you can see it broke the structure, and it was indeed a really push to the downside. Here again, you got this point over here which really told you that the market is pushing to the upside, and for real it did. And then again, you got this one showing you that the market is proceeding to the downside, and what you can see right here, it is really proceeding to the downside. So guys, this indicator is very effective because I do love basing this indicator on live market. So guys, I noticed that this indicator has what you can use it to really know a break of structure. Remember, most of us use break of structure to confirm trades. Remember, break of structure shows us continuation. So for instance, when price was at this level over here, you can see this line showing you the trend of the market. They were broken below. You can see they were moving horizontally, showing you that this is the level where you're supposed to watch the market from. And when price broke below it, it was indeed a really push to the downside. Again, what I really noted about the luxalgo AI indicator, when price is actually below the red line, that actually signifies a really push to the downside. But when price happens at any point breaking above the red zone over here, you can see it can really signify, or rather show, a really push to the upside. That's why I really love basing this on live market. That's why guys, I have decided to compare these two indicators, which are the AI indicator. And guys, let me just add the second indicator, which is volume SuperTrend AI. So to add it as well, you're just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type volume SuperTrend AI Expo by Zeman. You can see it's a very brand new indicator. Only 829 traders have inserted it right on their chart. So once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. So guys, when it comes to volume SuperTrend AI indicator by Zeman, you can see why I don't really love about it is that it shows us various colors, and that's what it shows us the signal, and this signal, they act as our continuation to really show us the market was on downtrend, and so continue looking for your selling opportunities. But I do ask myself, what if price actually breaks above what are you supposed to approach at this level? So comparing this to the super trend indicator, you can see the luxalgo super trend indicator was giving us a signal to really see the market was pushing to the upside or to the downside right on live market, and the market is actually obeying the super trend AI indicator. When it comes to trend of the market, they can really work the same, because you can see it is showing you a push to the downside. They can really work the same, just as you can see over here. But what makes me really feel upset by this indicator, because you can see it has other colors which are actually in blue, and this can really create confusion to any trader, because you might think that you're wrong because it's not really giving you an overall trend of the market. You got a green highlight over here, again you got a blue one, again you got a red one, again you got a blue one, then you get a green one here, then you get a red one. So it can really cause confusion. But when you're using the luxalgo super trend AI, let's see what it's gonna show us. You can see it was showing us that the market is actually to the upside. As you can see, it was up here, it was showing us the market is to the downside. You can see, so that was really easy to know what is happening in the market. And also, if you can look on volume super trend AI export by Zayman, you will notice when it gives us various colors, the super trend AI by luxalgo, it is giving us a very great confirmation that the market is indeed to the downside, and it will be very easy for any trader, any beginner, to really know the trend of the market. So the both indicators are called the super trend AI, and so the second one, I thought it will be better than the luxalgo super trend AI because it really focuses on the volume. But I see, and I hope you've seen this, it is not really making any difference in the market, and luxalgo super trend AI tends to outsmart it. Okay, so guys, it's very easy to really execute trades when you're using the luxalgo super trend AI. So if at any point you are ignoring it, you can really consider it, because basing this on live market, you can see it is a super duper indicator that is working in real time. So let's say you're selling over here and you go to this level over here. Remember, you have your red highlight which was moving horizontally at this level. When price breaks above it, just consider looking for your buying opportunities. Over here again, it broke this red zone over here, which actually proceeded up to this level over here. Again, you got confirmation with this structure, and it was indeed a great push to the downside. So I told you, using this horizontal line, it can guide you as well to know your support and resistance level, because when price came to this level, you can see it was really reacting to this level. When it came to this level still, it was really reacting to it. So it carries various functions which you can really use in your own understanding. And I know when you apply this right on your market, considering break of structure to confirm trades, any candlestick formation, anything you know to confirm trades, you basically find yourself in the right track of the market, getting good and better entries. So guys, that's what I really wanted to put across as we're comparing the two. AI super trend indicator and the fall like the luxalgo carries the day, because we need an indicator that is working in real time, an indicator that is not repainting, an indicator that we can actually rely on for us to really execute trades, because we need an accurate indicator in everything we do. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. So to those who doubted the super trend AI by luxalgo, you can see it's actually the best when it comes to the super trend AI indicator. Well, I've actually compared it with only one, but I can see comparing it to the volume super trend AI expert by Zayman, luxalgo super trend AI carries the day. Okay, so guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Liked this video as well. Success in everything you do. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay. So do I say guys, bye bye, see you in my next video.